and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices hit a 5-week high, supported by a softer dollar and safe haven flows due to ongoing concerns over the Federal Reserve's independence. The S&P 500 notched a record high close after Nvidia's quarterly report fell short of investors' high expectations, but confirmed that spending related to artificial intelligence infrastructure remains strong. Ethereum is seeing the largest validator exodus in crypto history, with over 1 million Ether tokens currently waiting to be withdrawn from staking through Ethereum's proof-of-stake network. Ethereum's exit queue surpassed 1 million Ether, worth $4.96 billion.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.